I want to start by saying that I am really excited to be here 1 year after the official launch of the BMFL Spot, which has been a breakthrough and a game changer in the world of moving light. Robbie listened extensively to the needs, demands and wishes of lighting designers and professionals working in all sectors of the industry. We spoke to rental companies, installers, technicians, and took on board what they had to say. We wanted to produce something that was powerful, fully loaded, yet easy to use. The result is the BMFL, the bright, multifunctional luminaire.
For many years, we needed a signature light with superb performance in every aspect. An instrument that would give us access to the most demanding projects for large halls, big stages and stadia. When the BMFL finally arrived, we wanted to launch it differently than any other product before, and we decided to do that in 3 parts. A quiet field test for the light once it was ready to be used, a web launch or breaking news on a certain date, and ta-da, a simultaneous physical demonstration worldwide. So we had 3 different events happening in the same month. The opening of the Commonwealth Games in Glasgow with Tim Routledge, Tomorrowland in Belgium, and the Teen Choice Awards in Los Angeles with Tom Kenny. While these events were happening, 120 BMFL fixtures had been dispatched and were on their way to 60 different cities worldwide. As soon as the web launch was over, Robbie's staff started traveling to those locations, and in less than 4 weeks, the task had been completed. And all that happened while the serial production started and the first lights were already being shipped. It was a kickstart and it worked. The demand exploded and the BMFL became the most talked about subject in the industry. We tried to make sure that BMFL would soon stand for Be My Favorite Light, and we tried to convince many key people in our industry to give it a try. Today, this product is listed on the riders of many prestigious tours and events in the world. Commonwealth Games, Southeast Asian Games, Ariana Grande, AC/DC, Mumford & Sons, Grateful Dead, just to name a few, and many more to come. The demand is getting greater every day. The BMFL is a salesman's dream.
After the high impact of the BMFL Spot, we launched the BMFL Blade at Pride & Sound 2015 in Frankfurt. This fixture is very similar to the Spot. However, it features 4 fast and precise framing shutters. Shortly, we are launching the wash model to complete the BMFL series.
The United States is generally regarded as the largest lighting specification market in the world. As a result, our prime focus is to build relationships with lighting designers and convince them that Robbie lighting products are the best choice for their upcoming projects. Currently, we're having unprecedented success in both the concert touring market, the television market, and the festival market. Upcoming events and current events that are utilizing BMFLs include Maroon 5, Miranda Lambert, AC/DC, Garth Brooks, Dave Matthews, Made in America, Kaboo Festival, and Electric Zoo. We expect this unprecedented success to grow even further by the end of this year.
We had 2 major events right here in Singapore. The first was the 28th SEA Games, both the opening and the closing ceremony held at the Sports Hub in Singapore itself, where we had 460 BMFL fixtures used for both of the opening and closing event, plus the recent SG NDP right here in Singapore, where we had over 300 fixtures used once again for this major event here in Singapore.
When I was first introduced to the BMFL prototype, I was really impressed because, of course, the first thing is, wow, it was bright. That's sort of like, okay, one strike off, then you have the list to fill. And I think the features and the functions that provided alongside with the brightness, it's also equally attractive.
Our aim was to create a light that would confirm the Roby brand as the leading manufacturer of moving light luminaires. The BMFL has certainly done that. There is no doubt the BMFL has raised the bar in terms of quality and technology in every aspect of moving light performance.
I believe the BMFL is the best product range we have ever made. For these products, we aim to be market leaders for many years.